I mean, what's crazy is that I mean, that's the crazy part because Mm, mm, yeah, I gotta stop doing that crap. Those are Nasdaq tendencies right there. I should have just waited for the retest. I gotta stop doing that Nasdaq crap. I gotta stop doing that and just wait for the retest because having my entry right here would have been a lot better. Yeah, I gotta stop doing that. That only works on the Nasdaq. That only works on the Nasdaq. All right. Yeah. So if this doesn't hold, then I'm gonna stop myself out of this position right here because this range just kind of make or break right now for the bulls. So they need to kind of hold this. Hmm. Trying to short this damn thing all last night, man. And now it wants to short. Hmm. Hmm. No, nah, nah. Like, dude, yo, Gold is trying to be NQ. Like, she's trying to be NQ for real, man. It's ridiculous how, dude, I had my stop in the most craziest spot, and I said, there's no way that she'll be able to touch this. There was no freaking way she'd be able to touch this. Yo, Gold literally touched my stop and dumped. I'm like, yo, like why? Like, why? I was like, dude, why? Why? I mean, Gold got me going tilt. Now I kind of understand. I kind of understand why people go crazy over Gold online. I didn't understood it until now. I understand it because Gold will kind of. I don't know why, but she just has a power over you, man. Or at least she has a power over me. At least Gold should be very easy to trade, and once you get emotional with Gold, trading her does become very difficult once your emotions are involved. Because I straight up blew a funded account, just kept shorting her just because she just pissed me off. So I just kept shorting her and I paid for it. And then she took me out of my swing account. So I guess what can you do, huh? Ah, okay. That account's gone now too. Oh, if you're talking about that swing short with the Nasdaq, no. No, I got out of it. If that's what you're talking about, Smith. If that's what you're talking about. Yo, the Nasdaq, the not the ES. I had my stop at like my stop was at 81. So not only would she would have stopped me out, oh my god, dude. Ah, dude, I would have been pissed this morning. I would have been freaking pissed. Because not only did she stop me out, but she went in the direction I thought she was gonna go into yesterday, man. Dude, I don't know what's going on. I think I'm in self-sabotage mode. I really think that I'm just self-sabotaging myself, and I don't know why. I'm just, I guess, after last week, the first couple of weeks of or October, I was doing very good. And I think now I'm just in my self sabotage cycle because it just seems like I'm self sabotaging myself now. All right, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever, man. All right, so let's look at this real quick because I think, man, does it really go all the way down there? All right. Hmm. Wow, AMD. Wow. 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 Prices in that golden zone. Um, um, oh, so it looks like my PayPal puts are actually paying. Apparently. Huh. Looks like I bought some PayPal puts for earnings. I didn't think that it was going to work, but apparently huh. I bought 66. Well, why are they working then? Let me look at this real quick because maybe I'm tripping. So I bought $60 put. I was like, dude, why are they working? Like, why is this? Yeah, this ain't right. Okay. I was like, dude, that doesn't even make sense. Okay. 193 puts on Amazon. I bought some puts on Amazon just because I figured that the market would drop. But mm. And at this point, it's always the trades you don't take. It's always the trades you freaking don't take, man. It's always the trades you don't take that just works. God damn, man. Mm. Mm. So, nah, it's not because of me gain weight. It's because we ran it up into some resistance yesterday, and that's just people taking profits back all the way back in July. It must be nice to have just orders sitting up there from July, just waiting for it to get tapped. It must be nice. Mm. So 60-40. So probably this little area right here. All right. Ugh. Well, let's see if they'll try to reject it here. Let's see if they'll try to reject it right there, but I doubt it. I think, I mean, if we can kind of get price to, I mean, I would kind of expect for people to take profits here. I mean, I kind of expect that, but hopefully we can just run back up into this range, hopefully without any hassle. Hopefully. Gold has ruined my life. Are you addicted to shorting gold? And has it ruined your life? Has this bull run got you going crazy? Thinking, when is it going to come down? You're not alone. You can get help by calling this number. All right, man. Let's see what happens here, man. Let's see. Man, I kind of doing it myself, I guess. Let's see if they're just going to reject it at the 200 EMA. I'll leave probably one to run. Okay. mm, mm. Damn. Mm, 82, 92. Damn. Damn. Okay. And so I do expect for people to initially take some profits here at the 200 EMA. Damn it. Oh my God. Is that resistance also at the ES? Damn. Okay. It's highly likely that we're going to see a big red candle here on the ES, but the EMAs are sloping up. So we'll see if people are going to take profits here. But it's highly likely they'll probably get back up here to 77, probably at the bottom of this range. So we'll see. Hmm. Come on, Nasdaq. I just need you to push through. And this shit dumped all the way to where I thought it was going to go. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Hmm. Mm. Mm. I'm definitely. I guess I'm trading my P&L right now. Shit. All right, man. Shit. All right. All right, man. Because I'm kind of stuck in a rock and a hard place right now. Obviously, I'm trading my P&L, but at the same time, this is my funded account, and I have to cut this to stay in the consistency rule bull crap that they got, man. Obviously, I'm gonna go for my target, but uh, okay. All right. Okay. All right. I'm not playing that game no more. Oh. And I'll just leave one to run. I'll leave one to run, but I'm gonna take out majority of this right here. Okay. I'll just leave one. All right. So I hit my daily goal for today on my funded account. I can't do that. 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 Mm. Take me to my target, baby. Take me to my target. All right. Okay. All right. I guess I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take it. Um, so I was able to hit my goal today. Unfortunately, right now they are finding support right here at the. Mm, you say you took a long at 660. Where are you targeting, Alfred? Where are you targeting? I would say, I mean, well, I mean, like it's your account, Alfred, but we are definitely running into some resistance. The Bulls somewhat already made a rotation already. I do expect for the Bears and the Bulls to begin selling when price gets into this range. So just be mindful. I mean, obviously, it's your account. I'm pretty sure you're going to manage your risk how you see fit, but I do expect for bears to come in at that range. That's why I was kind of like mm. But if the bulls are able to break through this range, then 725 is definitely a good target, and I highly would not recommend going long here because I'm pretty sure people are definitely going to take profits here at 725 because of this break of structure right here. We got price to break structure, use 725 as resistance, and we got that move down from 725. So a move back up here would there's definitely bears up here waiting. Definitely. Oh, you exited. Oh, okay. Yo, congratulations on that though. Congratulations. I was about to say, dang, Alfred, that is definitely a risky long, but hey, you've been trading excellent, man. So, mm, yeah, you keep trading like that, they're gonna just like, nah, Alfred. Yeah, we're gonna need you in this live account real quick. We're gonna need you in this live account. I guess I'm glad. I guess I took the trade on the Nasdaq versus the ES. I was considering taking this long here on the ES. I was, but I figured that well, it does look like they're gonna probably hold it here at 868. Oh man. Gain weight, man. Yeah. Don't ever change gain weight. Don't ever change. Don't ever change, dude. Don't ever change, man. I'm pretty sure you weren't planning to, but please don't ever change. Uh, mm. Well, I guess that's the excitement for today. That is definitely, but you know what, man? Am I still on the sim? I'm gonna take this short, man. I think the bears are gonna. I think the bears are shorting this. All right, man. Yeah, I can't believe I did that, dude. Uh, mm, mm. Well, that's definitely a strong low. So I don't expect for price to reverse. I do think we're gonna get a pullback, but I mean that is a clean head and shoulders pattern here on the ES. Yes, I guess it's highly likely for the bulls to come back in this range right here, in the same area where the ES is. Yeah. Mm. All right, man. Oh man, gold. Oh god. uh, help! I keep shorting gold in a bullish trend. Help! Please help! I really don't know why I have this vendetta against gold and why I keep shorting her. I don't know why. Mm. All right, guys, give me a second. Give me a second. I have to disconnect this real quick and reconnect. Nah, I gain weight. All right, man. Like, dude, like, I swear, like, go. Why are you doing this? Let me short you. Shit. Let me short you. I want to short. Stop doing this. Stop doing this. Uh, mm, I just want to short. Oh man. Mm. Yeah, like I said, man, Go was I don't know why, but she's just being so nasty to me. I don't know why. Like, why are you being like why are you being this nasty to me? Uh, why are these accounts still here? 60, 81. Oh, I still got these accounts. Just one, just blew me. Yeah. So I know I just blew these damn accounts. I don't know why they're still there. Hmm. 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 Man, Gold, come on, dude. Oh my God, dude. Come on. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. Let me get some of that. Oh my God, dude. Man. Hmm. You said my short on the NQ2? No, I was in the sim with that. No, I'm not short on the NQ. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So my thesis on this, I mean, like I said, it may. Mm. So I'm expecting the bears to come into this range. And if it does pass this range, I'm really expecting them to come in right here as well. And this is a trade that I'm taking in the sim. I'm not necessarily looking for a reversal. I'm just looking for the bears to come in and protect this range and knock it back down into this one. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah, I mean, I don't like it. I mean, it's easy, but I don't like it for. I don't like it. Yeah, I had to really imagine that. Mm. I mean, I guess I make it hard on myself. I guess, right? Just make it hard on myself. Mm. I mean, at this point, I think gold is just doing this on purpose. Mm. Yeah, that's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. That's not gonna work because they've already knocked it down. Mm. If I can just scalp this up to VWAP or something. It ain't gonna work. Because I'm gonna probably take profits like right here. Because this is on its way down. I guess they're trying to rebalance some of that. Probably what I should have done. I mean, they already kind of, I mean, this is kind of already on its way up. They're gonna probably come back to the 200 EMA probably. 783. No, they already came back here. You can probably bounce this at the 200 EMA. I guess I keep doing it. I mean, at this point, I really think gold hates me at this point. So I don't get what they're doing with this milestone plan on MFF. I don't know what they're doing with it. Honestly, I think it don't even make sense. So is this like a live account? So it says early payouts you could start earning after passing your first phase. Have to live. Once you pass phase 4, you'll be moved into a live account. Our 20% consistency rule encourage steady, disciplined trading. Clear profit target. Work towards well-defined goals for each account size. Minis to micro scaling. I mean, gold is so easy to trade. I don't know why I'm making it complicated. I don't know why I'm making it complicated at all. Mm, mm, damn. All right, so I'll probably look into that. I probably might get a. Oh, so you can reset a phase, huh? Instead of starting back over, you can reset a phase. That's interesting. So after each payout, you get your original drawdown to trade again for the next phase. I think I need something like that for myself when I get into my euphoric states because I don't know why, man. I just begin to over leverage, and once I get into that state, I have to destroy everything. It's like I get rich or die trying. I don't know why I do that shit to myself. I really don't know why. It's like get rich or die trying. Mm. All right, so let's look at that, man. Let's look at it. And why they got it like at 200? Oh, well, I guess you could. 20% consistency rule. So this is like their version of funded but not funded. This is like their I think this is like their version of it. Ah, you said the best one is a 25K static account? Huh. So yeah, so the 50K, you only got 9 micros. So they really like I'm like, dude, like what we talked about last night, they really got you trading like a professional trader. Like if you pass one of these accounts, you can definitely use this as work experience if you really want to trade for a big firm, a real firm, and not a casino masquerading as a firm, calling themselves a prop firm when they know this is exactly a casino. Um, yeah, they're getting like this is getting real. This is getting real. Uh, $300 per day, and dude, we can do that every freaking day. We do that shit every day here, man. Huh? Honestly, that's why the 50K. That's why I feel like even though I don't like it on the funded side, it keeps like like even though my mind is in the clouds, I have to make at least $500 or $600 daily if I want to maintain a consistency, and I have to accept losses if I want to maintain consistency. So it's like I know what I want, but at the same time, if I do what I want, I'm not gonna get what I want. So it's like uh. Yeah, because me and Smith was talking about this way back where when Top Step was like 10 phases. For some reason, with Top Step, Smith was always passing them. And I think if I remember correctly, Top Step, and when it was before 10 phases, he got his payout. I think he got 2 payouts, and they switched him to live. Like Smith has been with Top Step, he's been in their live account about 4 or 5 times already. Um, and the one thing that he said was helping him was that they had those stupid rules. They took away all those rules that they used to have, but it was all the rules that they had. And he was like, well, I guess having a rules to follow, having like those what's those things at the bowling alley where they the guardrails, having those guardrails in place to where you don't say, oh well, I'm up $600, let me go for another six. That self-sabotaging bull crap. I mean, you got a straight goal, you know what you need every day, and you just get it. And having those rules in place are, I guess, helpful. Because I do trade differently with knowing that I have to trade within a consistency rule or within the confines of a consistency rule. I do trade differently. I take my profits, and even though I hate saying it, I am more successful when I take my profits, as crazy as that freaking sounds. Yeah, that's definitely, yeah. No, that was Brianna. That was Brianna, Alfred. That was Brianna. Brianna is such a great trader. Had ICT himself talking about, damn, she's better than me. Yep. Brianna is the best trader in the world. Yeah, they wanted Brianna on Top Step TV. So see, I mean, that just goes to show how great of a trader Smith is. It just goes to show how great of a trader that he is, because him and his wife, Top Step wanted both him and his wife to join them on Top Step TV. Mm, yep. Brianna selling courses, $5,000 per membership. Get it while it lasts. Seats are limited. Brianna's mentorship. Oh, that's so funny, man. Those that know knows. But yeah, that's how good of a Trader Smith. That's how good of a Trader Smith is. And yeah, me and Smith, for whatever reason, we just kind of suffer with the same thing. It's like we are both good traders, but then like once we hit like I don't know what it is. It's 100K for him. For me, it's not a number. It's whenever I get into a state of I feel like I have nothing else to do. So that's my mental block. I really, like I've shared with you guys before, is like once I get the payouts and I get them consistently, I guess life just be like, I don't got anything real to work towards. So I begin to blow up everything and start again. It's like what's that thing with the monks? Like they take all that time and they build a beautiful work of art with all that sand, and then after they're done, they completely destroy it. I don't know if that's symbolic of something that's internal within all of us, but I know that that's something that I do. I don't know why. All that hard work and I'll destroy it so I can start over again and do it again. And I don't know why I do that. It's getting annoying. And I hate when I do that. I hate it. But I guess I just don't see no value in really growing the account to like 10K, 25. I mean, I like to keep things simple. So that, like I said, that's what I'm kind of working on and trying to move past that block. But that's my block. 100K is Smith's block for whatever reason. Like our boy Smith grew 2 sets of Apex accounts to 100K and did the same thing as soon as he got that number. And yeah, don't know what that's all about. Yep. $5,000 for a few words. Get good. Take risk. Risk it for the biscuit. Trust the setups. Don't trust the movement. And that's what kind of makes Nasdaq kind of nasty, because she'll fake you out so much. I mean, it's highly likely for the bears to come in at this range. You can see that they're already here. Now, I don't know if they're going to be successful, But I just understood that, the bears are going to come into this range. And if the bulls don't push it past this range, well, we're going to probably get a stop run lower. And I will be looking for price to come back into this range right here. But I mean, if the bulls do get a price to push up, I mean, shit, it's highly likely that they're going to come in right here. I would be totally surprised if they continue and they push past this level and trade past into this range without the bears coming in and knocking it down. I would be surprised. You can make so much freaking money with gold, man. That's why I'm making all the mistakes now with gold, and but I mean, gold is just so easy to trade. Like, I don't know why am I doing this to myself? Gold is so straightforward. It's not even hard. Mm, I don't know why I do that stuff with myself with gold. I don't know why. Yeah, that's exactly true. I learned that from Brianna's concepts. Through Brianna's mentorship, I learned that. But Smith is really good at scalping. I'm really good at intraday swings. Uh, my personality is I would kind of prefer to scalp, but I just understand that if I scalp, I'll get scalp happy and I'll just scalp, 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 scalp until I blow up. Because that's exactly what I did before. Because it just becomes a dopamine hit. And then it's like for me, it's when I get my targets hit, I just want to feel it again. It's that dopamine hit. Just want to get it, get it, get it. That's why I switched it from instant gratification to delayed gratification with intraday swings. Smith is really good at going in heavy, getting a few points, and being up $1,100 out of nowhere, because he's really good at that. And I always say that if me and Smith, if there was if we could combine our skills with him being comfortable with heavy size and me being comfortable with swinging, yeah. I mean, honestly, like if they knock this down, we'll see if they actually go inside the range, because I do expect no, they're gonna knock this down. They might bounce it on the top of this range and not actually go inside it. We'll see. And yeah, this is kind of why I hate being a bear, man, because the bulls are just buying this dip and not letting the bears complete their rotation down. I mean, the bulls have already gotten a full rotation high, a full rotation higher. So it's interesting that they just won't wait until price gets into an area of support right here before they start to buy. They're just buying anywhere on the chart. Like this right here is not real support. I mean, they tried to buy it right here in this area, and their stops got used as fuel to push this market down. And it looks like they're trying to buy right here in this little consolidation area, but it's not going to work. But it's just going to hold up the price action though. All right, my bad. Got distracted. Okay. All right, so let's look at this little milestone account. Okay, so 10 to 1. Huh? So that means you only got only access to 10 micros, huh? Hold on. Hold on. What? So, okay, so let me get this straight. Because I guess we could just go over the rules. But let me get this straight. I have access to 9 micro contracts. If I make it past phase 1, I'll get a $750 payout? No way. So you get rewarded for getting oh, oh. Dude, that's kind of good. That's kind of hold up. Dude, we do this every day. Hold on. We do this every day. So all you had to do is make $300? We do that every day. Huh. 25% off, huh? And I got into November. Yeah, I'm looking at the email now. I got until November 1st to buy it. Huh. 229, huh? So $57 off, $58 off. So that's $170. Hmm. November 1st. I got into November 1st. Dude. Hmm. Okay. All right. We'll get it. We're going to do that. $300 a day, huh? Let's actually, dude, let's do this, man. Let's do this, man. Let's start. Let's make the damn thing already, yo. All right. So, mm, all right. So 3. So we want to trade 3 at a time. So let's see how many points we need. So we're trading 3 micro contracts. Trade 3 micro contracts. All right, so let's see 27 times 2 times 3. And of course, 50 times 2 times 3. So you need 50 points a day with the Nasdaq. 50 points a day. So hmm, yeah, that's what I'm thinking to myself. I'm like, yo, yeah. Look, dude, we already made the $300 in this. We got the best entry. Ah, man, gold, faster gold. Fuck, man. Anyway, that's why understanding price action is so important. And that's why it's so important, man. Look at my ES trade up 5. I mean, shit, I can get this on with 1 micro contract. So if I do this with ES, all I need is like 5 points. With 10, yeah, all I need like what? 10, like 5 times 5 times 10. I need like 6 points. But I prefer to do it on the Nasdaq. I really don't care to do it on the ES. I'll probably do it on the Nasdaq. Huh. All right, guys, we doing this shit. You get paid $750 for making $1,500, and you do that for 5 days. Huh. Yep, that's definitely right, dude. 3 micro contracts. So, so let's just see if I do 4. So I probably if I do 36 times 2 times 4, so 45 times 2 times 4. All right, so probably like what 40 times 2 times 4. So 39 points. 39 times 2 times 4. So 39 points. Dude, we can get 39 points every fucking day. Every day we get like 80 points. Huh. And then have an 18-point stop because we only have $1,000 of risk. So let's just see that 18-point stop. Or no, I'll probably okay. So let's say 2 times 4 times. So that'll be $200. So that'll basically be 1-to-1. All right, I'm definitely going to lab this up. We can definitely do that. You got 10 micro contracts. We get in at a good area. We just set our limits and let it play out. And if we get stopped, that's fine. And yeah, just like what you said, EJ trades, like uh it's mentally is better because I'm not looking for like, damn, I need to make 3K. I need to make 3K today, or I need to make 15K or 7 or 8K. Dude, I can do it. I can do $300 in my sleep. I can do $300 in my sleep. Mm. Oh, they done fucked up. They fucked up. Huh. Mm. I'm not gonna lie, I love the sound of that, man. Gold, if you hurt my feelings, if you hurt my feelings, I'm going to revenge trade on you. I'm going to revenge trade. All right, so let's set this up, man, because I'm gonna probably get me one before the promo is done. All right, so this is a milestone, is what I'm gonna call it. So I'm gonna trade 4 micro contracts. I'm gonna do should I do 18 points? No, 27. Probably go back to my 27 points of risk. Mm. Because all I need is for 4 micro contracts. All I need is 39 points. We eat 39 points for breakfast. We eat 39 points for breakfast, man. Um, mm. So should we do this 1-to-1? Should we do a 1-to-1 target and a 1-to-1 stop? Hmm. You know what? For right now, all right. So 54. So 27 times 4, 108. So yeah. Yep. Yep. Yeah, I think 1-to-1 is probably, yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's just do that. Uh, mm, mm. Well, you know what? Okay, so this is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. I mean, it's gonna look ugly, but I'll just adjust my stop if I need to adjust it. I'll just adjust it. I just need to make 39 points. And just like he just says, 50 points, I just have to be absolutely wrong in that situation. Even if I am wrong, I only lose 300 bucks. But I think I think, okay, I know how I should play this. I know how I should play this. Times 4, 6. And you already know we got to put a damn trailing stop on this because we all know how nasty the Nasdaq can get. Um, nah, either it's gonna hit my target or it's not. Because if this thing takes me out before it hits my target, that means I'll just get into another trade, and that puts more risk on the table. So I'm just gonna do a 1-to-1 target with no trailing stop. If it hits my target or it hits my stop, no in between. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely true. All right. So $170. I'll definitely okay. I'm gonna have that ready for tonight because I think EJ Trades is absolutely right. Setting up a position overnight is kind of hard to be wrong unless you're wrong. And I think, I mean, that's my problem with gold too. That's kind of my problem altogether. That's kind of my problem. When I get this, when I trade my P&L, that's when I get in trouble. And I do realize that, but I'm probably not going to change because I'm looking at this gold trade right now, and I was up $1,200 and let that shit come all the way back down to zero. Because I want my target. Ugh. I kind of feel like so like I said, I like to my favorite anime is Bleach, so if I use any analogy from any anime, it will always be from Bleach because that's my favorite anime. But I don't know if you guys are familiar with, the new arc, the 1,000-year Blood War arc with Bleach. And the the quote unquote villain, Yuha Baha, uh, he invaded Soul Society and he killed their captain commander. The reason why I'm using him is because he said something to him. He before he killed him, he said to him, "Do you know why we didn't consider you a special power, a special war power? It's because of your arrogance. It's because you're stuck in your ways. It's you don't want to accept help from anyone else, even though it's available to you." And I definitely see that within myself. The amount of money that the amount of unrealized profits that I've had, if I shown that, if I actually just take the time and look at all the unrealized profits that I had, and then allow everybody else to see that, I'm not gonna lie, I would feel ashamed of it, but I still do it because I want what I want. And it seems like sometimes that stubbornness is not like with that Tesla trade. If I was just that stubborn, if I was just stubborn enough to allow it to come into uh allow that trade to come in the money, I would have turned my $60 investment into like a $1,100, $1,200 investment. But I cut the trade early. But it seems like I get stubborn with my losing trades, the ones where it's like, nah, I'm gonna wait until it gets to in the money, and those never get in the money. I usually lose money on those damn trades. And I consistently do that, and I don't know why. I don't know why. Hmm. Yeah, that's definitely gonna probably drop right there. We'll see. So yeah, this is highly likely to get into that range. And that's another thing because I mean I got all these tools with the Nasdaq. Like it's obviously that I love the Nasdaq, but for whatever reason, I don't utilize the tools. Like I mean, I got this fib level that kind of tells me what I need to be doing. I mean, look at it. It literally rejected at the golden zone. You literally have them rejecting at the 23%. You have them holding the 23%, and they're most likely going to fail and come right back down. I mean, I got all these tools for the Nasdaq, and I choose not to use it for whatever reason. Ah man, ah man. I guess I can't be too mad about it because I mean, like I said, I was up in this gold trade, and now I'm negative. Mm, Damn, dude. Damn. Damn. Ah, damn. Ah. Damn. Mm. gold, and yet I continuously be foolish with her. Continuously act like a fool. Like I don't know this crap. Like what the hell is up with that, man? What the hell is up with that? Okay. So uh, oh my god, dude. Why do you keep doing this with gold? Why? Why do you keep doing this crap with her? Okay, so I was in literally at the bottom with gold. I have no clue why. Why? 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 I don't know why. So I was literally here in the bottom with gold, 3 contracts, and obviously this is where I should have got out at. And I was telling myself to get out here, but I decided to say, no, I kind of want this. I want to see if it'll get up here. And obviously it came back down to my break even and stopped me out. So it's like I'm projecting the Nasdaq. That's why sometimes I have to probably take a break from Nasdaq and just take a breath, because it's like I keep projecting Nasdaq onto other instruments, thinking that they'll do the same thing when they just don't. But the profitability with gold is so good. It is so good because with this small move right here, 87, I mean, that's less than like a 5 point move right here. In 5 points, I was up about $1,200 on 3 contracts. It was probably more, but the last time I looked at it, it was like up like 12. And I allowed it to come back and stop me out. Mm, mm, right. Mm. You said that fib level? So it's so let me see. Where the hell is it at? Oh, here it is. I was like, where the hell is it at? So this is just the so if you have TradeOvate, so I guess let me just show it to you on TradeOvate. Because it's on TradeOvate, I just recreated the fibs on NinjaTrader 8. So if you have TradeOvate, you already have it. You just have to go into the community tab and yeah, just have to find it. So if you go to where else is that? Drawing tools. It's called the golden Fibonacci retracement. And these are the levels right here. You can copy them down. What it only thing that I highlight on obviously is the 23% in the golden zone. So 0, 23%, 382, 50, 61, 65, 75, 88, and 100. And you just repeat that. You just repeat that sequence. And the idea of how to use this. This is why I don't like TradeOvate, man, because it's too all over the freaking place. The idea to how to use this every day is just taking pre-market high and pre-market low. That's all that is. Like it never happened, right? Hmm. Yeah, this is why I hate trading VI. Like, what? Why is it so complicated? Anyway, so basically, it's pre-market high and pre-market low. Anyway, yeah, this is. I don't know why this is complicated like that. I don't know why this is acting like that. Okay, yeah, I don't know. No damn reason too. Like, what's up with that? Okay. All right. So we got one of the targets hit. Yeah. So I mean, yeah, the fib levels are definitely good to reference where you are on the chart. But like I said, I prefer to use my to use ranges, honestly. And I guess that's why I don't really reference this because I guess this is good to know where it's at, but um, I guess we can start using this more. I mean, to kind of validate our trades because the market will bounce and dump at golden zones. The 23% is obviously important as well. You can see that it bounced from the golden zone and rejected clean. Like, dude, this is literally the high of the day. This is literally the high right here. Mm. And if you did a 100% move, this right here is what 100 and 788 minus 640. And that's a 148 point move right here before it bounced. Mm. Man, am I taking this seriously? Am I taking this seriously? You know what? I think what I'm going to do with this strategy right here is I think I'm going to think I'm gonna add another stipulation to this. So I think, what is that? So profit target 306. Let me add another stipulation to that. 306 divided. Mm. Because the one thing I don't like is when my target is all the way down here, then it bounces, and then I have to. So I damn near got a perfect entry on this. So 692. Mm. Okay, so the way this is looking, um, yeah, this could have been support. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. I'm gonna have to do something about that. Mm. I mean, if I just do what 6 contracts, that's a $600 loss. I don't want that. Means I'll have to reduce my risk. All right. Okay. Yeah, that might have been support. Yeah, I mean, obviously, yeah, I kind of figured that would have been. Take your profits at 10 points. My God, dude. The ES is, man. Hmm. All those unrealized points. Anyway, yeah, I got in at 10. The breaker structure happened at 79 and it bounced at 69. 10 points. Like the ES just not does not play. I mean, obviously you'll get 10 points, but it just seems like a leg will be on average 10 points. Like that's 10 points right there. 74, 86. So like yeah, the average is like 10 points. And if you don't get out at the 10-point mark, you'll become liquidity. Hmm. Oof. Man, gold is hard to like, god damn, dude. Like hmm. Yeah, no, dude. So this was a 20-point move. It's about like what 32. Ooh, so a 37-point move from top to bottom. So right where my stop is at on the ES, this is highly likely where they'll actually come back in the bears and try to short this thing right back down on the ES where my stop is. It's highly likely for them to come in right there. So the Nasdaq made like a full range rotation. So the bears were able to get this. They took the liquidity underneath this range right here. Mm. That would have been heartbreaking right here. That would have been heartbreaking. Dude, why the hell you just keep fucking up on gold? My God, man. Look at this on gold, man. I don't know why I just keep being so foolish. I don't know why I'm being foolish on gold, man. I don't know why. I don't know why. I mean, look, I mean, dude, this is this is easy money. Like right here, if you got in, you didn't even have to catch the bottom. All you had to do was just catch this area right here. This is almost a 10-point move on gold. And with 3 mini contracts, you just passed your account in one go. And it did it 3 times in the same area. Like, why am I being so foolish on gold right now? Okay. So I mean, if it touches this area, this is where I was targeting originally, this area right here. I was targeting this area right here on gold. I figured that they'll bounce it off the 200 EMA and they would get there, but that's just me projecting the Nasdaq onto her because obviously the market participants saw this break of structure. What's up? Oh. Obviously the market participants saw this break of structure and they sold the retest. I mean, I don't know. I'll get this right. I'll get back on track with gold. It's just that I guess I'm just revenge trading, trying to get back what gold has taken away from me. But I will get back on track with her. I guess I just want her to do what I want her to do. That's it. I just want her to do what I want her to do. Yeah, so what I'm gonna probably start doing, so how I'm gonna fix this problem, what I'm gonna start doing is I can't have situations like this happen where my target is like right there. And so what I'm gonna do is probably set, because I kind of want my target to stay where it's at. So, but I think I should have one right here where it trails it. Let me just edit this. So if it gets to, so profit target 24, have this trail it, because having it come all the way back, all the way up almost to my break even after it completely missed this target right here. Okay. So as soon as it touches my first target, my second stop will come down and that trail will stop. I'm not necessarily, this runner target is just what it is. It's just a runner. If it gets hit, if it gets hit, if it don't, it don't. It's just a runner. And I like to manage this manually versus having a stop come down, because I just could have just re-entered short with a whole brand new position and captured this move down. And the way that the structure is set up, I mean, so The bears got their move down. They took the liquidity underneath this range. We saw this move back up into this range. The bears took it back down. They found support. And then the bulls came back and retested this range where the bears is selling it right back down. And this is now a lower high. Let me see what the ES is doing. The ES looking like it's finding support in this range. Nah, I'm coming for gold, gain weight. I'm coming for it. It's easy money over here. You should have said something. You should have said how easy the money is over here. Oh, this is easy money, man. Even though, like I said, even on one contract, just catching this move on one contract, what, that's like a 10-point move. That's $1,000 on one contract. And what, the 27-point stop? The risk to reward on trading gold is crazy. I just have to kind of get out of this revenge trading mode with her and try to telling her what to do and just trade along with her. Or just taking my profits when I see them. But the risk to reward is too good on gold. That's why I'm like, yeah, yeah. Yeah, because it looks like she respects the EMAs. She definitely loves this 200 EMA for whatever reason. She loves it and she respects it. She respects structure. So you don't have to put too much risk on her. She respects structure. You see the EMA's trending. You shouldn't really short her. I mean, if you do manage to get a short, I mean, like, dude, this entry was perfect right here, man. If you caught it, if you took this long, I mean, shit, the thing just went straight up. Like, what the, like, man, gold is. And I feel like it trades better than the ES. Like, I feel like it does. You just have to, like, you just really have to be patient with gold and let her set up. Because if you don't let her set up, then she's not going to give you what you want if you don't let her set up. I know, gain weight. I know. And like I said, I'm revenge trading. I mean, that's like the only thing that I can kind of begin to understand why I'm doing it. Let me see. So if I got in exactly at 45 and moved all the way up to 52 before it dumped right back down to hurt my feelings. 45. All right, so what, 45 plus 9. So this thing, yeah, that's why I got a trailing stop on. With my with this golden strategy, I'm gonna have like a trailing stop on it. I probably might reduce it to $700 or a 7 point, or because I mean I got a 9-point target on gold, but I might reduce it down to. So I think what I'll do is I'll keep it at 9 points. Once it gets to 8 points, I'll have my stop trail it. Because this went all the way to 13. So let's see right real quick. So 45.8 plus 9. So 54.8. This is where my target would have got hit right here. My target would have got hit exactly right here if I got in right here. So this is exactly where my target got hit. and I wasn't in that much drawdown. So let's just see if I would have survived. So 745.8. If I had a 27 point stop, so 43.1. So my stop would have been right here, and I wouldn't have even gotten stopped out. Price would have never came close to my, well, it was close to my stop. But I mean, I wouldn't enter it as it went up. I would probably, so as if when it was coming down, I probably would have trailed in to try to get the best entry. But if my entry was at 75.8, it would have almost hit my stop and it would have never came close to it again. And what I'm starting to see is that if price is above that 200 EMA, then you're good. I'm starting to see that with gold. If it's above it. But if you find yourself underneath it, then yeah, you're kind of fucked. And then it came right back into this area right here, perfectly at this area. And if you just waited, I think we shorted this. Was this October 20th? Did we short this? I think we shorted this in the sim, and I made so much money in the sim. When was the 20th? Yeah, I think we shorted this on Sunday night. Yeah, we shorted this on Sunday night. So I was like, hold on, this price action looks familiar. I remember this top. Yeah, we shorted this Sunday night. Because that was an obvious short. I mean, you got the EMAs hugging each other. Yeah, that was an obvious short. Okay. All right. Look at gold hitting my target. Oh, you gotta love her. You gotta love her. You gotta love her. Oh my God. Yeah, she hit my target. This is what I was targeting. It just sucks that she's just being really nasty to me today. Because I was targeting this area right here. I probably would have took this because I would have been up. So let's just say she never stopped me out. 82. This is where my target would be at right here. This is where my target would be right here. And I would have passed the account if she would have hit my target the first time. But at the same time, I guess what I should have did was waited. So I'm learning with gold. And once we get gold in the rotation and we start making some real money with gold. I mean, you can make more money with gold than on the Nasdaq. I mean, obviously, well, every point is $10 per point. So obviously. And the good thing about it is once you get into a good area, it goes straight down. It doesn't do none of that bull crap that the Nasdaq does, where it goes halfway. It doesn't do it like the Nasdaq. It finishes rotation and then it goes up and then it goes down. Okay. I'm gonna get this right for you guys. I'm gonna get this right. And when we start making money on gold, yeah, we're gonna hit these prop firms up. Because this is almost too easy. And I think that's, yeah, this is too easy. But all right. All right, guys, I gotta get into this meeting. Appreciate all that joined. Hopefully you was able to make some money with me. And we'll definitely do this again tonight. This is, hold on. Do you want me to tell you the perfect? Yeah, go ahead, gain weight. Please share. Please share. We love to hear insight from you. Please share, gain weight. All right, man. Well, we'll do this again tonight, man. I gotta hop into this meeting. And with that said, peace out, everyone.